Hello and welcome to the Sioux City Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a Gehl RB1850 in good condition. Let's take a closer look at the features on this round baler. This Gehl RB1850 produces 119 by 119 bales and features standard tires, along with a standard pickup with standard width. Thank you for viewing this Gehl RB1850. If you're interested in this round baler and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 877-866-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.